Hi! In front of me is POCO M5 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this POCO device. First of all, you need to hold your device's display. Then click on this icon, the gear one at the bottom right corner, and click on More. After that, you need to click on Icon Size section and swipe left or right in order to adjust them. Then click on the back button twice and save your changes by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!